Winning products aren't real. I'm gonna tell you why. This video is definitely gonna upset some people in the e-com space, and that's just because I'm gonna be debunking one of the biggest myths in the dropshipping industry that I see so many of you beginners get stuck on. So if you wanna find true success in this industry, then I highly suggest you watch this video until the end. I'm gonna cut this video as short as possible, and I'm just gonna give it to you guys straight. But if any of you guys could just do me one huge favor, and if you're interested in seeing more videos from me that are just so crucial to dropshipping, online advertising, and e-commerce as a whole, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you didn't know, in about a week or so, I will be announcing the winners of my free mentorship giveaway. So if you're interested in learning from me one-on-one and how I've been able to scale multiple stores to 4 or 5 figures a day, then make sure that you comment down hashtag dropshipping in the comment section below and leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. When it comes to dropshipping, just about everyone and their mom says that the first step is you need to find a winning product. And I get it, there's some truth to this, but overall it's very misleading. I think individuals who are just getting into the space get caught down the complete wrong path, which eventually leads them to quitting. But obviously, I'm not just gonna debunk this myth and leave you guys without any information, direction, or guidance. Because honestly, there's a much better way that you could actually be doing things than just overall approaching dropshipping as a whole. If you follow everything that I go over in this video to the T, then I guarantee almost any product that you touch will become a winning product. Not only that, but doing things this way will allow you to operate in markets where there's just a lot less competition, which just means it's 10 times easier to make more money. The majority of people, when they first get into dropshipping, the first question that they're asking themselves is, what product should I sell? And I get it, you absolutely need a product with demand in order to get even your first sale, but I don't think that should be your main focus. Instead of focusing on what you should sell, I want you to start focusing on how I should sell it. And if you think about it, right now in 2021, consumerism is absolutely rampant. People are literally desperate to buy things and looking for new ways to spend their money just because the world's opening up and they finally feel free again. And if you think about it, most of the time when anyone buys anything, it's rather addicting. And most of the time when people buy things, it isn't actually for the product itself, but more so for the result that the product brings the customer. Now, as a quick example, why do people buy expensive luxury or fast cars? Is it because they have 800 horsepower, a nice interior, or even just updated features? No, it's not. That's not why people choose to buy a Dodge Demon, for example. When people buy things like this, they absolutely know for a fact that their friend who just bought a Scat Pack is going to be absolutely pissed. And in that split second, the guy who just bought the Dodge Demon is going to feel superior to their friend because he knows that his neighbor is pissed that he only has 400 horsepower while you have 800 horsepower. 99% of the time, these people are buying these expensive cars for what it brings them, aka the result. And the way that you can take advantage of this isn't through some magical winning product. It's through creating a winning marketing strategy, and more specifically, winning marketing angles. Now, let me tell you a quick story so I can somewhat illustrate this in your mind, because I know if you've never heard of anything like this, this is absolutely going to blow your mind. So a little while back, about 2 years ago, I was actually talking to this guy who is way more experienced than me in e-commerce. He said that he found a really great product with great testimonials, a ton of useful features, and it was overall just a product that was worth testing. Now, the product was actually a dual arc electronic lighter. I know, long name. But this guy took his time, made the best possible website, found the best possible ad creatives, and mixed and mashed them. Then he obviously went on to launch his ads and run his store, and it just completely flopped after spending around like $3,500. With no luck scaling this product, he was really just about to move on and go to the next one. But then he had an idea. What if he sold the same exact product on the same exact website, but actually changed the marketing angle or who he was actually targeting? And one day he was scrolling through Amazon and actually found a similar lighter to the one he was selling. And the review said something along the lines of, "Oh my God, this is an amazing lighter. It was so windy today and still the flame didn't even go out." Immediately, it clicked in the guy's mind and he realized that he never actually sold the lighter with the angle of it never going out. He'd only been selling it under the context that it was rechargeable and they'd never have to buy another gas lighter ever again. And literally immediately after he changed his marketing angle, the store started to pop off and he started to make his first, second, third sales. In a couple of weeks, if I remember correctly, he actually ended up making around $28,000 at a 15% profit margin. Now, that's a pretty low margin in the industry, and I'm pretty sure he actually went on to cut the store, but it just goes to show that if you just change your angle, your whole store could just do a whole 180-degree turn and it's all sunshine and rainbows from there. He was literally selling the same exact product, but nothing changed except the angle. When it comes to dropshipping and just about advertising anything on the internet, winning products have absolutely nothing to do with it. I mean, think about it. We all have access to the same products on AliExpress. Nothing is different about what he was able to sell. There is no competitive advantage that you can get from selling a completely different product from someone else. The only competitive advantage that's attainable when it comes to dropshipping overall is simply just by being better at marketing. It's all simply about having a better, more unique, more compelling offer and angle that's more attractive to your customer. Now, I will say that yes, there's certain trends and products that just do better during certain times of the year. But really the bottom bottom line when it comes to dropshipping is not the product itself, but pretty much just all about your marketing. So yeah, I'll say it, winning products is pretty much a scam. It's a non-existent criteria, and the real bread and butter is actually within your winning marketing angles. But now that we've established that, I want to give some very specific and tactical advice on how you can actually approach dropshipping better, because it's not really a process that you could just figure out in your head. Really, the only way that you can find winning marketing angles is just by doing research. The first way, like I said before, is just look at Amazon reviews. Go take a look at your direct competitors and people that are selling similar products to you. Look at their reviews, and I literally want you to go through all of them. First, see what people are generally saying, and then try and figure out why people bought this product in the first place and take notes. If you see something coming up multiple times, chances are there's a way that you can get your foot in the door and start selling more with a new angle. Another way you can find these unique angles is actually within Facebook groups. Search for Facebook groups within your niche, scroll through them, and just see what people are saying in general. And last but not least, why don't you try visiting some online forums like Reddit? Go to Google, search your niche, and then literally after your niche was typed into the search bar, I just want you to type in online forum. What you should get back is a list of a bunch of forums where people are just talking about similar products to yours. The main goal for all you beginners is just to start doing in-depth research on your niche and just get an advertising platform with a winning marketing angle rolling for you.